Welcome back to Rutabi EduQuest. In our previous video on how to study effectively in the university, we made mention that it is important to review your notes within 24 hours. Today, we are going to explain why this is so important using the scientific concept called the forgetting curve. The forgetting curve is a concept in psychology that explains how information is lost over time when no effort is put in place to retain it. In simple terms, the human brain forgets information quickly if not reviewed. This idea was first studied by a German psychologist called Hermann Ebbinghaus. When you attend your lectures or when you read your notes, the information enters your short-term memory. When nothing is done about it within an hour, lots of the information is lost. After 24 hours, about half of that information is forgotten. And when nothing is studied about it within a week, then you only can remember a little of what was heard or a little of what you read. This rapid loss of information over time is what is referred to as the forgetting curve. When you review your notes within 24 hours, you interrupt this forgetting curve. What you are doing is that this review tells your brain that this information is important, so keep it. And as a result, the information moves from your short-term memory into your long-term memory. What most students do is that after they attend their lectures, they normally would not review the notes, and then they would wait until examinations time before they will start to review. What this means is that at the time you want to review, most of the information you heard in class has been forgotten, and then you are going to start the studies from scratch, which makes learning difficult and overwhelming. Make sure that within 24 hours you review the notes. In the next 2 days to 5 days, review the notes again. After 2 weeks, review these notes again. And when it's getting closer to your exams too, you do the same. In that way, information is stored in the long-term memory. And so when you're preparing for examination, it becomes a bit easier. Each of these reviews you'll be doing is going to flatten the forgetting curve. In our subsequent videos, we'll look at ways to combat this forgetting curve using strategies like active recall, spaced repetition, meaningful learning, and focus on gaps. If any of these sounds interesting to you, and if this video has been educative and helpful to you, kindly hit the subscription button, like, and share with your friends. Let's continue to make our learning journey an impactful and a productive one. See you in our next video.